I'm from a project management unit of the Cleaner Energy Future Initiative for ASEAN, in short, CEFIA. And today I would like to introduce you to the CEFIA initiative and share how we are trying to support ASEAN's transition towards a low-carbon economy. So what is CEFIA? CEFIA was launched in 2019 by the ASEAN +3 member states and the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry of Japan to support to accelerate the transition of ASEAN countries towards a low-carbon economy. And CEFIA takes a three-dimensional approach, namely decarbonizing technology dimension, institutional dimension, and financial dimension. And through decarbonizing technology dimension, CEFIA introduces renewable energy and energy efficiency and conservation technologies, in short, EE&C technologies, as a CEFIA flagship project. And through the institutional dimension, CEFIA helps the ASEAN countries develop and improve their policies and institutional frameworks for a wider deployment of such decarbonizing technologies. And through the financial dimension, CEFIA helps mobilizing more finance towards decarbonizing technology projects, and we also support financial institutions by matchmaking with decarbonizing technology projects. Altogether, CEFIA tries to contribute to achieving ASEAN's energy objectives, which are defined in ASEAN Plan of Action for Energy Cooperation, the second. So to understand how CEFIA can accelerate finance towards decarbonizing technologies, ADFIAP and CEFIA worked together and conducted a survey. And we tried to identify the barriers which are stopping financial institutions in ASEAN from investing in decarbonizing technologies. And the three biggest barriers we identified were: one, limited availability of best practices and benchmarking, and two, difficulty in the technical evaluation, and three, a lack of capacity to assess, manage, and monitor environmental and social risks. So what this result meant is that financial institutions in ASEAN need more information and capacity to be built so that they can make a better judgment on the non-financial aspect of decarbonizing technology projects. So based on these findings, CEFIA was designed to serve as a platform for collaboration. CEFIA will conduct 5 action areas for each technology project. One, we would share best practices and successful cases. 2, we'll conduct capacity building trainings. 3, we'll formulate and conduct pilot projects of a decarbonizing technology. 4, we'll help improve and develop new policy and frameworks. And 5, we'll develop a tool that allows quantifying greenhouse gas emission reduction made through introducing a decarbonizing technology. Through these 5 action areas, CEFIA will help both companies and industries which have technology or who want to adopt such a decarbonizing technology, and financial institutions as well, to implement and invest in more bankable decarbonizing projects. For example, when a company with a decarbonizing technology wants to introduce their technology into an ASEAN market, CEFIA can help build and assess commercial viability of their business model, while CEFIA can also support financial institutions building their capacity to assess effectiveness of such a decarbonizing technology in climate change mitigation, and also assess the risks of such a technology to environment and then society as well. As a result, companies can disseminate such a decarbonizing technologies more widely in the ASEAN market. And also financial institutions will be able to identify more bankable projects of decarbonizing technologies and eventually decarbonize their investment portfolio. And today I would like to introduce you to two ongoing CEFIA projects. The first project is called Renkei. Renkei means connection in Japanese. It is a combination of software and IoT sensors which together optimize energy efficiency of an industrial plant. So how it works is that these IoT sensors collect operation data of each equipment within an industrial plant, and then the software analyzes an energy performance and suggests a possible improvement in energy efficiency. So as a whole, we can improve the energy efficiency of an industrial plant. And for Renkei, we have already conducted quite a few actions. For example, for information sharing, we went to COP26, also to the first Energy Week International Conference, and then share this Renkei concept. We've also conducted awareness-raising seminars amongst the university students on CO2 reduction and also a concept of Renkei. We have conducted a feasibility study of this technology in Thailand, and we are hoping to move to a pilot project soon. Another technology CEFIA has been working on is called Zero Energy Building, in short ZEB. ZEB is a building with a considerably reduced energy consumption. It is realized by a step-by-step approach. So first step is to increase energy efficiency by introducing new materials or technology. For example, better heat insulation materials or solar shading or any other energy efficient appliances, so that we can reduce the energy consumption as much as possible, but then still there will be remaining energy consumption, which will be addressed by introducing renewable energy facility on site. So in the end, we can achieve a net zero emission building. We call it net ZEB. For ZEB, we've also conducted quite a few activities as well. For example, we had seminars and workshops in Thailand, the Philippines, Malaysia, Vietnam, and Indonesia. And we have conducted a pilot project in Malaysia. And for policy and framework support, CEFIA helped developing a new international standard called ISO 23764, entitled Methodology for Achieving Non-Residential Zero Energy Buildings. And we hope this new ISO standard will help make it easier for companies or people who want to build a zero energy building to build one, and also for the financial institutions to make a right judgment in investing in ZEB technology. I'm skipping this, sorry. And for other areas, CEFIA has ongoing projects in microgrids and also iron and steel manufacturing plants as well. And we also have plans to introduce new projects in the areas of transport and logistics, and also hydrogen and ammonia. We also have another idea of an ESCO, which is energy service companies. And CEFIA and ADFIAP have been working together, and we also have an exciting plan to launch a new program specifically to support financial institutions in ASEAN who are interested in decarbonizing technologies. So please grab me after this presentation if you are interested in getting to know more about this new program. Salamat. Thank you very much for your attention.